Attention car dealers. Quick question, pull up your CRM right now. How many appointments do you have this week? With Willowood Ventures, appointments are not a problem. It's literally what we do. How does 150 plus confirmed appointments in a single week sound? A St. Louis GMC dealer recently sold 39 cars in 5 days and walked away with $148,000 in gross profit off 210 appointments. That's how you dominate. Here's how we do it. We build a full-scale Facebook and Instagram campaign in 24 hours, launch up to 20 precision-targeted ad creatives, and our live US-based BDC team works every lead around the clock, responding in under 3 minutes, 24/7. Real buyers, real appointments, guaranteed. We don't run ads, we run events that sell cars. Call 843-310-4108 or visit willowwoodventures.com.